Hello, very good afternoon to you. After a pretty wet and windy day for many yesterday, it's much drier, a fair bit calmer as well, but not everywhere will have a dry day. That's because there is a frontal system pushing into parts of the southwest, and so across the far southwest of England, it's quite cloudy here, and there are some outbreaks of rain, especially across Cornwall, but even into parts of Devon, there may be a bit of wet weather at times. Away from this, a few showers dotted around Dumfries Galloway area, across parts of the borders and also into some parts of northern England, maybe eastern England. A few showers are possible, but on the whole, much drier than it was yesterday and some decent sunshine on offer too. In that sunshine, well, temperatures are going to rise. For many, it is going to be a few degrees warmer than it was yesterday. We're looking at highs of around 26, 27, possibly 28 Celsius towards the southeast and elsewhere, most places getting into the low 20s. Then as we go through into this evening, still some cloud and a few bursts of rain across parts of the southwest of England, and some rain then feeding into parts of Wales and across Northern Ireland as well. And this could be a bit heavy at times, maybe even a little bit of thunder mixed in with it. Further east though, across central eastern parts of England and across much of Scotland, staying dry with often clear skies overnight, but despite the clear skies, it's not going to be that chilly at all. No, a pretty warm night for most, especially towards the west. And in the east, temperatures, yes, a little bit lower here, but we're only looking at low teens, possibly just about getting into single figures in a few places. And with that, there is the potential that we could see a bit of fog developing across some parts of eastern England. But any fog that does develop will quite quickly clear as we go through tomorrow morning. And through tomorrow, a bit of a west-east split. Eastern areas is having the best of the sunshine, staying dry here for many eastern parts, but it is going to turn increasingly cloudy from the west. Further west, there will be a fair bit of cloud on offer and some outbreaks of rain, and these outbreaks of rain could be quite intense at times. Some heavy, thundery downpours are quite possible. Temperature-wise, it's looking even hotter than today across some parts towards the east-southeast, 28, 29 Celsius, not out of the question, and yes, most places seeing temperatures a degree or so up. So even though there's a bit more cloud around, it may feel a bit warmer and a bit more humid in some places too. Now, taking a closer look at those thunderstorms across parts of West and Northern Ireland, this is where they're most likely to be intense and bring the greatest cause for concern. We do have a warning out. That's because we could see 10 to 20 millimetres in just an hour or so, and perhaps 30 to 40 millimetres in just a few hours. That's enough to cause some flash flooding if you do get any torrential downpours, and if you get any showers following one after the other, that's when the greatest cause for concern is. It's not just the rain though, it's the frequent lightning, the risk of some hail and perhaps even some blustery winds mixed in with these intense showers that we need to watch out for. It's also not just in the warning area where we could see the thundery downpours, also across some parts of western Scotland, some thundery bursts are quite likely as we go through the day as well. Later on, as we go through the end of the week and into the weekend, and it's looking fairly unsettled. That being said, on Friday, it's still a bit of a west-east split. South-southeastern parts and eastern parts of the country likely to stay mostly dry on Friday, but temperatures continuing to rise, so being pretty hot and humid across some parts of the southeast in particular. And thereafter, as we go through Saturday and into Sunday, we are going to see some heavy, perhaps even thundery rain pushing up from the south. That's going to affect most of us at times through this weekend, and with that, temperatures are gradually drop, so it is going to turn a little bit fresher too. If you want more information about what we can expect into this weekend and beyond, then make sure you check out our 10-day trend, which Alex Deacon will be bringing to you. That will be available on both our YouTube channel and also Spotify later on this afternoon. See you again soon.